Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and connect your Bybit account to Tradingview. And yes, there's a particular event currently on Bybit that requires you to go ahead and connect your account to Tradingview. As you can see, guys, this is the Tradingview screen, and here's what it looks like. So on Tradingview, what you need to do is to click on your products, then come to Super Chats, and it's going to open your chat. Now you just have to wait for it to load for a few minutes. So while that page is loading, make sure you go ahead and sign in into your Bybit account. And as you can see, here is what my Bybit account currently looks like. Once you've logged into your Bybit account, the next thing you want to do is to go back to Tradingview. Now on Tradingview, what you want to do is to go ahead and click on this trading panel right here. Click on this trading panel. It's going to bring out this, and you just have to find Bybit. Now, if you notice, Bybit is not currently on any of these lists at the top. So what you need to do is to click on all brokers, which is going to give you more lists of brokers. So you have to just scroll down till you can find Bybit. So I'll just go up a little bit, and as you can see, here is Bybit, just close to Binance. So I'll click on Bybit, and it's going to ask me to connect. Now, so what I need to do is to go ahead and click on connect. Now it's also going to ask you to log in your Bybit account again. Just go ahead and log in. Then once you've done that, click on authorize, and once you click on authorize, it's going to connect your Tradingview to Bybit, and as you can see, it's currently connecting. And like I said, this event allows you to be able to get Tradingview Premium for free. As you can see, it says currently there is no trading, no open position right now. It's going to show you every single thing. As you can see, my total equity here, you can see my margin balance, and a lot more. So if I come to orders, you can also see, if you come to orders and you come to inactive, you can see all the stuffs right here on Tradingview. So in case if you open a position, yes, so that's it, guys, and how to go ahead and connect your Tradingview. This allows you to go ahead and take trades right on Tradingview without having to leave Tradingview. So I hope you found the video really helpful, and if you did, kindly subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to leave a like on the video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.